Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbud Cellularline FLICK. Firstly, you need to locate touch areas. Well, located at the back side of each earbud, and right here at the top we have them. So, to call Siri, you need to press and press 3 times at your left or right earbud. So let's check with the right one. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I just call Siri. Let's check the left one. 1, 2, 3. And it also works. And this one is only one option how to call Siri, because there is no dedicated app for this earbud, so we cannot use the app to customize gesture and set this feature to another gesture. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.